welcome to my channel. I'm Jen. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me. If you are already a subscriber, what up? What it do? So today I am doing a video on my passion twist, guys. Like, I am in love, okay? Not love. I am in love with these twists. I wanted to show you guys them. This is what they look like. They looking like at 3 weeks. I have not retwisted any of them. I'll let you see how big some of the boxes are. I didn't do anything like by rhyme or like no rhyme, no reason to it. I really, I had box braids and I really just took that out and rubber banded up here and then just went on and started twisting the hair into here. I did use this Mane Choice buttery or bold buttery gel. Untouchable definition and unmatched volume. I really liked how it controls my twist. So I'll show you what my twist looks like up close. I used 6 pieces of hair for these twists and I was able to get about 7 or 8 of them done per pack. I ended up using 6 packs. This hair is 24 inches. Sorry if I'm jumping all around, guys. Let's get into that little clip that I had.